In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation in the Gamma app. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a school project, or a creative showcase, this guide will help you create a polished and engaging presentation. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Gamma homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Gamma app address. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's user-friendly and designed to make your presentation creation process as seamless as possible. Now when you're ready, look for the option labeled New Gamma. It's usually prominently displayed, inviting you to create something new. Give it a click and you'll be taken to the next step in the process. This is where you'll start to bring your presentation ideas to life. The New Gamma button is essentially your gateway to a world of creative possibilities within the app. Once you've begun creating a new Gamma, you'll need to choose a style for your presentation. Here you have the option to select traditional, or explore other styles available to you. The choice depends on the tone and context of your presentation. If you're unsure, traditional is always a safe bet to give your audience a familiar and comfortable format. After selecting the style, the next step is to type in your content. This is where you really get to express your ideas and insights. If you have slides or a script prepared, this is the perfect time to transfer that material into the app. Let's say, for example, you're doing a presentation on an innovative project of yours. Just type in all the relevant details and supporting points to make your narrative engaging and cohesive. With your content set, it's time to present it. Within the Gamma app, you'll find an option labeled Present. Clicking this will transition your work from the editing phase to a display format ready for your audience. This feature allows you to see how your presentation looks when live, so you can make any last-minute adjustments if necessary. At this point, your presentation should be ready to deliver. Remember, the key to an effective presentation is confidence and clarity. Practice a few times to get comfortable with the flow and ensure your content resonates well with your audience. Feel free to explore additional features the Gamma app offers to make your presentation more interactive or visually appealing. And that's it. With these steps, you've created a polished, professional presentation using the Gamma app. Remember, the more you use the app, the more comfortable you'll become with its features, allowing you to create even more dynamic and captivating presentations in the future. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.